On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, my name is Allison at Western Art Glass, and today we are still in process of making a stepping stone. In it's in the building section of your hardware store. You're going to need some clear, it says right on there, clear contact paper. You're going to need some weather sealer for your grout at the finished. And you're going to need some grout. And there's tons of colors to pick from. I'm going to go with white today for the project that I'm doing. So on the next segment, check it out.